transformation of the Lentor estate have created a vision of an estate with built and nature highly integrated together. If you were to look at the estate or the location from an island-wide perspective, it's got a very strong draw that goes beyond the immediate catchment. Firstly, it's served by the Thompson East Coast Line, and the entire estate will also have very good access because it's planned from day one to have a shelter walkway to the MRT station wherever you are. And number two is that from a geographical location perspective, it's got very strong connectivity to many places, to the central, to the north, and even to other parts of the island. Lentor Mansion is also a 5-minute walk to Lentor Modern Mixed Development. In the mixed development, you have various amenities like supermarket, retail, F&B. Within Lentor Mansion itself, there is also a childcare center. We've designed the entrance such that the access to the childcare center is actually different and separate from the residents. So in a way, the childcare will not really affect the privacy, but at the same time, for residents, it's very convenient. It is also within a kilometer to two very good schools, St. Nicholas as well as Anderson Primary.